Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off voice access in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off. First of all, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options here. Then in interaction and dexterity, we have our voice access. As you can see, this option is now turned on. To turn it off, we simply need to uncheck this box. Yes, turn off please. And now it's turned off and it disappeared from our from the top of the screen also. So no need to save, it's now turned off. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.